Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is very close to my heart. I was blessed from the womb with a large forehead. It's a 5 head. Okay, officially we've done the official measurement. Well, you know what, it might be 5.5. I love my forehead. In this video, I changed the way I say forehead so many times because I think I grew up saying forehead and now I say forehead. I don't know why, I don't know which one's Australian, I don't know which one's not. I've got a couple of tips on ways to work with what you've got with a big forehead. I really like my forehead, guys, don't get me wrong. I always wear my hair up, like I'm not ashamed of it. But there are some times where I've styled my hair a certain way and I've gone, ooh. I found some nice little tips and tricks over the 27.5 years that I've had this big forehead. I have been self-conscious in the past, but so many people that are considered the most beautiful in the world, many of them have bigger foreheads, and so we are blessed to be part of that group. But before we go, we've got a notification squad giveaway. I've got this Huda Beauty lip set in Spice Girl. All you have to do is be a member of my notification squad, like the video, and leave a comment in the comment section. Enjoy. Here we are. I've done my foundation and a bit of bronzer, but otherwise there's no other makeup on my face. Something that I think can enhance the size of your forehead and make it look bigger is when you're doing your foundation and you're trying to rub it into your hairline, you're actually getting foundation in your hairline and covering your hairs with it. So I would recommend taking your face halo and get out any foundation that might have actually coated the strands and makes your forehead look bigger. Oh my gosh, there's so much coming off. There was all that foundation in my hairline. The other thing is that they actually make makeup for hair now. This is the Clairol Root Touch-Up. It's just like a big eyeshadow pan. This one I think is intended for touching up your roots between your hair dyes, but for me, because my hair is naturally dark, I just use it to deepen up my hairline. As you can see, it's a bit uneven. I've got like a slight cowlick here, so there's a bit that looks a bit further back, and then it's also a lot finer around here. I have heaps of baby hairs, and so it looks like more faint. So I usually start like on the sides and lightly dust it into my hairline. Just right over the top. So this bit goes further back, as you can see. You can see that the hair is really fine, like at the front of my head, and you can see my scalp through it. So this stuff is the best because it fills in the gaps. Oh my gosh, it looks so much thicker. Look how much more filled in it is around there. It's so nuts. Obviously, this is most useful when your hair is up, but if you have quite fine hair and you want to make it look thicker in your part, you can totally use that too. If you want to use it to fill in the roots that are growing out, like that's what it's intended for. So this is really good stuff. I like it as well because it's really purse friendly. You can just travel with it, keep it in your handbag, whatevs. Another trick is to, of course, contour your forehead. You can do that with bronzer. I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This one, I feel like it doesn't make as big a difference. I mean, it's not like hiding your forehead, you know, it's just a very little slight trick of the eye. So just take a bit of bronzer or your contouring product. And I usually just start in the very center, like in the hairline area. Really, I'm trying to shorten the top of my hairline, so I'm not going to do it on the sides here, just like kind of from the top. Another good way is to overdraw your eyebrows at the top, so you're making your eyebrows look a little bit higher up on your face. I'll use the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. So we'll start like above or at the top of the brow, and let's just really lightly fill in the top. See how it's a little bit higher than the other one? You obviously can't go too far out of the lines, otherwise everyone will be able to tell, but there is a little trick that you can do with brow gel that I'll show you next. So with your brow gel, push your eyebrow hairs up so the eyebrow hairs cover the drawn on eyebrow. So I haven't really drawn in any eyebrow like at the bottom half, similar to what you do with your lips to make your lips look bigger. We're doing that to the top of our eyebrows, but you can see the difference, right? compared to this one. I'm just gonna quickly do a simple eye makeup look with some eyeliner on my top lid and then some lashes. Another really good tip if you want to draw attention away from your forehead is to actually put a bright lip on, because that will draw the eye to the area and balance out the look of your face. This is Mademoiselle Madame. Another trick is to put on nice big earrings to do a similar effect as the lips do. Balances and evens out the look of the face. What do you think? Do I look balanced? Wear your hair in a high bun so that you've got more volume up here. I mean, I'll just do it like messy so you get the gist. That way, as you can see, I've got some stuff happening up here. I've got my forehead in there, framed by my lips and the rest of my makeup. So definitely having that at the top shows that you've got, like, you know, a good set of hair up there, and it really helps to balance everything out and makes your face look more proportioned. One other very tiny little trick is to not just hold your mouth closed and clench your teeth together, because that will shorten the look of your jaw and then make your forehead look bigger. If you have a relaxed jaw, it will make that part of your face look longer and therefore in more proportion to the rest of your face. So aside from the contouring, there's also highlighting. This one's a lot more subtle, but you can highlight your chin to make it more prominent, your cheekbones. If those areas are radiant and eye-catching, then it will draw more attention down there. Of course, don't highlight your forehead if you're trying to reduce it. You can mattify it so it's not going to be catching the light. I still love to wear my hair out. If I do though, I just try to make sure that I've got the hairs sweeping over my face and not sitting up like the McDonald's sign, because oh my god, if I can find this picture of me, oh my god, my forehead is just like insanely big in this picture. Oh my god. The way my hair was done just was not flattering. It was like, firstly, my hair was blonde, or I tried to be blonde, didn't look great. I had this idea in my head that like I needed bigger hair to balance out my forehead, but I just had it like sitting up straight out of my head, and oh my god, my forehead looks so big. So big. Every time I see that, I'm like, oh, that's... Yeah, volume is definitely a great thing, but make sure it's coming like from the back and not just the front. I like to make the front part sweep over my forehead by blow drying my hair down and out in front of my forehead, and then it will come across like that. Another trick, of course, is to have a fringe. You could wear a wig. A wig's a really good way because you can completely customize where the hairline is. You could have the hairline all the way down here if you wanted, whatever your vibe. And you can also wear a bandana. Let me show you that. I mean, this is a pretty thick bandana. It's actually a scarf. But you could wear something like that and it looks really cute. There's no way anyone's gonna be looking at your forehead if you look like a present under the Christmas tree. Legit hair tips with Chloe. I actually think it looks really cute. Come at me, bro. One way that I normally wear my hair is to just let it naturally fall, but sweep it over to one side. So when you've got heaps of volume going in every direction, then it kind of makes everything look more proportionate. And if you want to wear your hair out, the thing that I was talking about before is having your hair just up like that. Mine naturally does it because I have a cowlick. It helps if you have hair coming over it a little bit. See, like that? So what you can do is blow dry it. I do use my hairdryer normally with a brush, but you can buy these, which make it really easy. It rotates. I like to take the front part of my hair and it will sweep it down a little bit over my forehead rather than sitting up like the McDonald's sign. I think that's the end of my tip video. If you are a big foreheaded boy or girl like me, then I just want to say, you're awesome, you are smart, you're beautiful. You are worthy. You have so much more space in your cranium for brain. We are smart. SMRT. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to enter the Notification Squad contest by leaving a comment below and being a part of my notification squad. Please also like the video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah.